Have you heard about Khamhøj Nature and Outdoor Center? We offer hours or days of fun, outdoors activities and much more. Come with your family, friends or colleagues, or maybe you need a place for your wedding stay.
We offer you to spend the night in cabins that focus on everything from traditional Nordic outdoor recreation. We have kayaks that can be rented so you can sail around the Khamhøj's local lake area. We also offer you activities in the beautiful nature. National Park Mols Mountains is made for unique outdoor recreation experiences with a focus on activity with pools, and of course with focus on use and protection in the nature. There is also possibilities for eat delicious and traditional food at the local pub with specialties of deer meat and meatball in curry sauce. You can also make your own lunch in the beautiful landscape on fire. You can try classic camp life and modern outdoor recreation as tree climbing, geocaching, bushcraft, kayaking and mountain biking. There's possibility for team building. So take your company with you and have an unforgettable day in the fresh nature and challenge to a better place for working together.
We have 3 values: change, health and commercial we think is the most important values. We look forward to see you in the beautiful nature of Khamhøj. Khamhøj Nature and Outdoor Center make your holiday funnier.